Have you ever stopped to marvel at the intricate network of systems that keep your body running smoothly? We often hear about the circulatory system with its bustling highways of arteries and veins. But there's another system, equally vital, working tirelessly behind the scenes, the lymphatic system. This often overlooked system plays a critical role in maintaining our health. It acts as our body's silent guardian, diligently working to keep us free from harm. Unlike the circulatory system, the lymphatic system is not a closed loop. It's a vast network of vessels, tissues, and organs. These work together to transport a fluid called lymph throughout the body. Imagine it as a parallel system of waterways flowing alongside the blood vessels. But instead of carrying blood, it carries lymph, a clear fluid rich in infection-fighting white blood cells. The lymphatic system is our body's internal cleaning crew. It removes toxins, waste products, and excess fluids from tissues. Think of it as a complex drainage system, ensuring that our body's cells remain bathed in a clean and healthy environment. Without this crucial function, our tissues would become overwhelmed with waste, leading to a buildup of toxins and potentially serious health issues. Lymph, the fluid that courses through the lymphatic system, is not something we often think about, yet it's constantly at work, playing a vital role in keeping us healthy. This clear fluid originates from blood plasma. It seeps into tissues, delivering nutrients and oxygen while collecting waste products and cellular debris. The lymphatic system collects this fluid, now called lymph, and carries it through a network of increasingly larger vessels. Imagine these vessels as a series of tributaries, gradually merging into larger rivers. Along the way, lymph passes through lymph nodes, strategically placed checkpoints where immune cells filter out harmful substances. Lymph plays a critical role in maintaining fluid balance within our bodies. It ensures that tissues don't become waterlogged and swollen. This delicate balance is essential for our overall health. Disruptions in lymph flow can lead to swelling, a condition known as lymphedema. The journey of a healthy lymphatic system begins deep within the bones, in the spongy tissue known as bone marrow. This is the bustling factory where blood cells are constantly being produced. Among these are the lymphocytes, the white blood cells that are the key players in the immune system's defense force. Think of bone marrow as a boot camp for immune cells. Here, lymphocytes are born and begin their training. Some lymphocytes remain in the bone marrow to mature, becoming B cells. These cells are responsible for producing antibodies, the specialized proteins that neutralize invading pathogens. Other lymphocytes travel to a small organ in the chest called the thymus, where they undergo further training to become T cells. These various types of lymphocytes, each with their unique skills, work together to protect the body from a constant barrage of threats. The thymus, training ground for immune cells. Nestled high in the chest behind the breastbone lies the thymus gland. This small, unassuming organ plays a surprisingly large role in our immune system. It's here that T cells, those crucial lymphocytes produced in the bone marrow, are put through rigorous training. Think of the thymus as a specialized academy for T cells. Here, they learn to distinguish between the body's own cells and foreign invaders. This process is crucial to prevent the immune system from mistakenly attacking the body's own tissues, a condition known as autoimmunity. The thymus is most active during childhood and adolescence, during which time it's diligently training T cells to recognize and attack specific threats. As we age, The thymus gradually shrinks in size. However, the T cells it has trained remain in circulation throughout our lives, providing long-lasting immunity. Lymph nodes, filtering out the enemy. Strategically positioned throughout the lymphatic system are small, bean-shaped organs called lymph nodes. These are the body's filtration units, working tirelessly to remove harmful substances from the lymph fluid as it flows through the network of vessels. Imagine them as security checkpoints along the lymphatic highways. Lymph nodes are packed with lymphocytes, the immune system's vigilant guards. As lymph enters a lymph node, it flows through a maze-like structure coming into contact with these immune cells. If any foreign invaders, such as bacteria or viruses, are detected, the lymphocytes spring into action. The lymph nodes become a battleground as the lymphocytes multiply rapidly to fight off the infection. This often leads to the lymph nodes becoming swollen and tender, a telltale sign that the body is fighting off an infection. Once the threat is neutralized, the lymph nodes return to their normal size, and the lymphatic fluid continues its journey throughout the body. The spleen, the multitasking organ. Tucked away on the left side of the abdomen, just below the rib cage, lies the spleen. This often overlooked organ is a true multitasker, playing crucial roles in both the lymphatic and circulatory systems. Think of it as a dual-purpose organ, working tirelessly to keep both systems running smoothly. One of the spleen's primary functions is filtering the blood. Similar to how lymph nodes filter lymph fluid, the spleen acts as a blood filtration unit. It removes old or damaged red blood cells, recycling their components. It also plays a role in storing platelets, the cell fragments essential for blood clotting. The spleen also houses a reserve of white blood cells, ready to be deployed into the bloodstream at a moment's notice. In the event of an infection or injury, the spleen can release these immune cells to bolster the body's defenses. This rapid response system highlights the spleen's crucial role in maintaining overall health. Maintaining a healthy lymphatic system. Tips for a lifetime. The lymphatic system, while often overlooked, plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Unlike the circulatory system, which has the heart to pump blood, the lymphatic system relies on our everyday movements to keep the lymph fluid flowing. Fortunately, there are simple yet effective ways to support this vital system. Regular physical activity is one of the best ways to boost lymphatic flow. Even gentle exercises like walking, swimming, or stretching can make a difference. The contractions of our muscles during physical activity act as pumps, helping to propel lymph fluid through the lymphatic vessels. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is also essential for lymphatic health. Staying adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is equally important. These simple lifestyle choices can have a significant positive impact on the lymphatic system's ability to perform its vital functions. Remember, a healthy lymphatic system is a crucial component of a healthy life.